All right, in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how I was able to make $6,000 in the last 30 days with affiliate marketing and a few products. You can see right here, I'm in Warrior Plus. You don't have to use this platform. There are so many different niches out there that you can get into. You do not have to be in the make money online space. It's just a niche that I'm really passionate about. It's fun for me, and I just love teaching people about how to actually make money online. There's so many different strategies, and many of them actually work. One of the biggest problems with people is that they just don't pick one strategy and stick with it. For example, it doesn't mean you have to be on YouTube or do Shopify stores or have to do this or that. If you picked a strategy, let's just say it was Amazon KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing. And let's just say that you wanted to get started, you wanted to start creating books, ebooks, and publishing them on Amazon KDP platform and then making money. Eventually, you could start making sales on a daily basis, weekly basis, and then eventually you could start making money every single month, right? But here's the problem that I see most people pick a strategy, they buy a product, then they go out and they maybe publish like 5 books or something like that, and then it didn't take off. I mean, they got some free downloads, but they just didn't make any royalties or any money, and then they move on to the next big shiny object, right? That's the problem where most people fail, is that they're always constantly chasing a new strategy. If that person decided to just stick with that KDP thing and maybe go in, open up a Google Doc, make a plan, a milestone and a goal, and say, hey, I'm going to try this whole thing out for 6 months. I am not going to try anything else for 6 months until I can show and prove that this strategy either works or it doesn't. But you cannot base something off of just trying for a few days or a week or even a month. It's just not enough time to say, hey, this doesn't work, okay? So with that said, what I did back in 2019, it was in October 20th of 2019. That's when I had enough. I said, enough is enough. I was willing to put in the grind and the effort and the work. That meant early mornings, late nights to build a YouTube channel and start profiting online. It wasn't until I finally kind of hit rock bottom of like, I am so tired of all the noise, all the shiny objects, the 10 years of trying to make money online, but could never consistently make money online. I finally said, okay, there's got to be something to this YouTube thing. I need to dedicate and not stop until it works for me. And finally, when I made that decision, that's when things opened up for me. I only had 500 subscribers on my channel and I made $13,000 selling a simple course to those 500 subscribers. You don't need a lot of subscribers on YouTube to start making money either. So that's kind of my quick tip for you. But now I want to show you how I do it. And you could apply this to any affiliate program, any niche. Just keep that in the back of your head. The last 30 days, you can see right over here, I'm hovering over this. So you can see $6,100. When I hover over this, you'll see that it says vendor sales 197. That's actually a URL link or a button I put together because I won an affiliate contest and the vendor paid me $197. So that's actually technically was affiliate marketing. So the entire thing is actually affiliate marketing. It does put me over the $6,000 mark right here. Last 7 days, 1,500. I didn't have a big weekend. Last weekend, I think we did 2 $1,000 days last weekend, but you're looking at some solid income right there from just one platform. Remember, this is not all the money that I make. I have so many other affiliate programs that I'm a part of, but this is the most fun to show because we have full tracking on our URLs. We know on our affiliate links, we know what video produced results, what email produced results, and the products are moving fast. There's launches, there's affiliate contests. So it's just a lot more fun to talk about. That's why I show this one. If I was to show you another one, which you just go watch some of my other videos, I show you other affiliate programs, and it's just kind of like, here's a software, here's an affiliate link, and then they pay you 30% reoccurring commissions. And I can show you thousands of dollars making from those affiliate programs as well. But like I said, Warrior Plus is a lot more fun because there's a lot of products. We get to select what product we want to promote. Vendors have scores, so you know if they're a good vendor. You can go into stats in your affiliate dashboard and you start looking. So we can come over here and go like this and then go for the last 30 days, right? Now, there'll be just that little discrepancy of the $197 because that technically was a vendor sale, but it was a result of affiliate marketing. We have $5,900 right here. And we can take a look at some of these products. When I scroll down, you'll see that there was a lot of products. 10 products in the last 30 days have produced results for me. That shows this is repeatable. You can pick a product, promote it, and actually make money. And it's not necessarily because of the product itself that you're making money. Sometimes there's really high quality products and really high value perceived products like this one over here. It's called Ashi AI Gen. And you can see we had a crazy conversion rate. We sent 400 hops, 100 sales. So basically a 30% conversion rate was just nuts. And we made $4,300 on that one right there. Now, you can see that this ebook writer AI was released 4 months ago, and I still made $500 from it, right? And then you have another one right over here that just released, and we made $300 from that. So you can start going down the list. Some of these are softwares, and some of them are only training programs, right? Like this is a training program. Rapid List Building is a training program, and you're still making money from all of those as well, cookie dollars. No one else opens up and shows you their stats of what they're actually doing on Warrior Plus. It's multiple products, multiple promotions. I'm only doing 1 or 2 promotions per week. A lot of people are doing what's called launch jacking, where you find a product, you do a review video, email your list if you have one, and then you try to hop on that launch and make sales. And then guess what? More products are coming out that next day. And then you got to pick one, do the same thing, rinse and repeat. Now, it used to be that you would be encouraged to just pick a new product every single day, try to promote as many products as you can. Now you can test that out if you want. In the beginning, that might be a good strategy, because if you don't have an email list of YouTube subscribers and you don't have a big email list, then you don't really have an audience. So the best way to gain an audience and get clicks and sales is to try to throw as many darts at the dartboard as possible. Hence, promote as many products as you can. In the beginning, I encourage a lot of promotions, hop on a bunch of product launches. But as soon as you start getting your first kind of sales, you start building a little email list of buyers, you're going to want to tone that down and focus more on each launch. That way you can put together good bonuses, become a professional affiliate marketer, making $6,000 per month from just a few products.